Karin here from Mossel Properties. I have something to share that everybody doesn't know if you are not part of the industry. Buyers, if you are looking to buy property, but you cannot find what you're looking for on all the platforms out there, give us a call. We have sellers who prefer not to market on the open market. They prefer doing silent deals. So we are not allowed to market on Property 24, on Instagram, on Facebook, and all the other public places where you do market as an agent. We have those secret listings on our back end. We have quite a few at the moment. So contact us. You never know. Maybe your dream property is waiting for you on our back end. We would be very, very happy to assist. We sold quite a few properties this way during the past year. And we have a very successful way of doing it. Privately, efficiently, the least amount of worry. We are experienced. We've been selling property for a very long time. Local knowledge, so we know what prices should be. Give us a try. You never know. We would be happy to help.